Hi, introducing my name is Muhammad Arif Matrinata, NPM 22312010. Currently, I get an assignment from algorithm strategy analysis course. I want to explain about the topic, the basic concept of algorithm. Before continue to the material, I would like thanks Miss Aja Sapiti Puspaning MCom as the lecturer in change of the algorithm strategy analysis course. Okay, let's start. Basic concept of algorithms. Okay, algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in certain order to get the desired output. Algorithms are generally created independent of underlying language. An algorithm can be implemented in more than one programming language. From data structure point of view, following are some important categories of algorithm. First, search algorithm to search an item in a data structure. Sort algorithm to sort item in certain order. Insert algorithm to insert item in a data structure. Update algorithm to update an existing item in a data structure. Delete algorithm to delete an existing item from a data structure. Not all procedure can be called an algorithm. An algorithm solve have the below maintenance character. First, unambiguous. Input, output, finance, visibility, independent. Unambiguous algorithm solve be clear and unambiguous is of its step or piece and their input output solve be clear and must lead to only one meaning. Input and algorithm solve have zero or more well-defined inputs. Outputs and algorithm solve have one or more well-defined outputs and solve match the desired output. Finite algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. Visibility shall be visible with the available resource. Independent and algorithm shall have step-by-step direction which shall be independent of any programming code. We design an algorithm to get solution of given problem. A problem can be solved in more than one ways. Solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, solution 4, and problem. Efficiency of an algorithm can be analyzed at two different stages, before implementation and after implementation as mentioned below. A priori analysis. This is theoretical analysis of an algorithm. Efficiency of algorithm is measured by assuming that all other factors processor speed are constant and have no effect on implementation. A posterior analysis. This is empirical analysis of an algorithm. The select algorithm is implemented using programming language. This is then executed on target computer machine. In this analysis, actual statistics like running time and space required are collected. We shall learn here a priori algorithm analysis. Algorithm analysis deal with the execution of running time of various operation involved. Running time of an operation can be defined as no of computer instruction executed per operation. Okay. Suppose X is an algorithm. The time and space used by the algorithm are two main factors which decide the efficiency of X. Time factor, space factor. The complexity of an algorithm gives the running time and or storage space required by the algorithm in terms and as the size of input data. Space complexity of an algorithm that represents the amount of memory space required by the algorithm in its life cycle. Space required by an algorithm, fixed part, variable part. A fixed path that is a space record to store certain data and variable that are independent of the size the problem. Example, simple variable and constant use program size. A variable path is a space record by variable whose size depends on the size the problem. Space complexity. Algorithms sum A B step 1 start step 2 C I B 10 step 3 stop. Here we have the three variable A B and C and one constant hence SP 1 plus 3. No space depends on the types of given variable and constant types and it will be multiplied accordingly. Time complexity of an algorithm represents the amount the required by the algorithm to run to completion. Time requirement can be defined as numerical factorial, can be measured as the number of steps, provided each step consumes constant time. Asymptotic analysis of an algorithm refers to define the mathematical bound framing of its runtime performance. Using asymptotic analysis, we can very well conclude the best case, average case, the worst case scenario of an algorithm. Asymptotic analysis are input bound. If there are no input, the algorithm is going to work in constant time. Linear exponential. Usually, time required by an algorithm falls under three types. Best case. Best case. Minimum time required from program execution. Run fast among all inputs. Average case. Average time required from program execution. Give the necessary information about algorithm before behavior on random input. What case? Maximum time required from program execution. Run slow among all input. Asymptotic notation. Following are common use asymptotic notation use causing running time complexity of an algorithm. First, we start to continue the number of significant operations. The we will express the efficiency of algorithm using grow function. Each operation an algorithm or a program is a cost is a percentage certain of time. Example, loop A1 sum 0 where I and total cost the time required. Instead loop okay. Space complexity function ABC return AB. Yeah, variable instead. Space need by ABC this independent. Loop recursion general rules for estimation. Algorithm growth rates. We measure an algorithm time required as function of the problem size. So for instance, we state that if the problem size is n, the most important thing to learn is how quickly the algorithm time required grow as a function the problem size. An algorithm proportion time required is known as growth rates. We can compare the efficiency of two algorithms by comparing their growth rates. Common growth rates, running time for small inputs, running time for moderate inputs, space complexity, okay, C++, okay, okay, uh, thank you very much.